welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Subscribe and hit that little bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I am so excited for this collaboration today. I was invited by Jen at Jen's WW Journey to participate in a smoothie collaboration. Now, here's the deal. You need to check out every single channel that's down there because all of those channels are amazing. Everyone is going to give you amazing ideas for smoothies, and it's smoothie season, people. It's time. We need to pull out our blenders, we need to pull out our fruit, we need to pull out our ice and make some serious smoothies. So check out everybody's link down below and leave comments and let me know what you'd like to see. So today I decided to do two smoothies, super easy to do and really quite tasty. Now, I can't eat ice cream. I'm not an ice cream eater at all, but I do like the flavor of like a cookies and cream or whatever. So I'm gonna make a cookies and cream smoothie and peanut butter, and I'm gonna make a peaches and cream smoothie. Are you ready? Sit back and let's have some smoothies. For this first smoothie, you're gonna need a Premier Protein, cookies and cream flavor, shake. You're gonna need some PB2, 2 tablespoons of it. You're gonna need a half of a ripe banana, and you're gonna need about 2 cups of ice. Here we go. Okay. So you're gonna cut your banana in half, and you're gonna put that in your blender. You're gonna shake up your shake. Put that in there. And you're going to take 2 tablespoons of PB2. Okay, we're going to blend that, so excuse the noise. Here we go. Now we're going to add the ice and we'll blend it up. And look at that. It's like the consistency of a wonderful milkshake. And you can get about 2 servings out of this milkshake. So your total points for this, if you drink it all, your total points are 3. If you split it, it's only 2. So there you go. There's your first one right there. For your second one, you're going to need a peaches and cream. You're going to need an orange. This is a Cara orange. You're going to need a half a banana and about 2 cups of ice. Here we go. The sound went away on this portion of video, so I'm going to have to do a voiceover, people. So you put your orange in the blender, and then you're going to put in your banana. You know, peel it. It's better if it's peeled. Then you're going to put in your Premier Protein drink. Then you're going to blend it. Doesn't take too long to blend. Now for the yummy part, you add in that ice. I did a little bit more than 2 cups on this one, and it actually ends up making 2 complete smoothies that are really good sized. And because of the fruit I put in there, each of these smoothies is 4 points each. I know a lot of you don't count the fruit in these kinds of things, but I decided to this time. So 4 points each for 2 peach smoothies. Delightful, lovely, and delicious. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. Please remember to check out everybody's channel down below and their amazing smoothie recipes. You're gonna love it. Thanks again for coming. I hope that you love these smoothies and that you can enjoy them in the hot summer months that are coming. And just know that you're appreciated, and I hope that you check out all of those channels down below, as well as any of my favorite things that are listed there in my Amazon store. Thanks so much. I look forward to talking to you again in my next video.